apostle. Saint John was one of the 12 apostles. He is traditionally identified as the prophet disciple. He authored the Gospel of John, the epistles, and the book of Revelation. John is believed to have lived the longest among the apostles, dying a natural death. Saint John the Apostle, pray for us. The image of Saint John the Apostle is accompanied by Reina Esther, Cleopatra, Santa Faustina, Santa Veronica.
Saint Peter. Saint Peter, originally a fisherman, was chosen by Jesus to be the leader of the apostles. He is recognized as the first and a foundational figure of the church. Though he denied Jesus 3 times, he was later martyred in Rome for his faith. Saint Peter, pray for us. The image of Saint Peter is accompanied by Santa Maria Magdalena, Santa Maria Cleofe, at Santa Maria Salome.
Wala. Pwede maraming ngayon magkapalas ng number.
Saint Mark.
SIM card. Dalawa sa patay sa tawa.
Saint Mark is the author of the second Gospel and a companion of Saint Peter and Saint Paul. He played a key role in the early church's missionary efforts. Tradition holds that he founded the church in Alexandria, Egypt. Saint Mark, pray for us. The image of Saint Mark is accompanied by Reina Fe, Reina Esperanza, and Reina Caridad.
Saint Philip.
Hana, masyado kasi mataas.
Saint Philip was one of the 12 apostles, known for inviting Nathanael to meet Jesus. He played an active role in spreading the gospel after Jesus' resurrection. Tradition says he was martyred for his faith. Saint Philip, pray for us. The image of Saint Philip is accompanied by Reina Abogada, Reina Justicia, Divina Pastora, Reina de los Angeles.
Kung ikaw ba naman?
Umali mo naman, hintay mo lang, umali.
Umawa ka ng matagal ng ganito, mangangalay ka kaya. Kaya ko na. Siya, tingnan mo, nangalay mo.
Saint Andrew.
Oo nga, nakikita ko isa kong
the
mata.
brother of Saint Peter, was one of the first apostles called by Jesus. He is known for his missionary zeal and for bringing others, including Peter, to Christ. He was martyred on X-shaped cross in Greece. Saint Andrew, pray for us. The image of Saint Andrew is accompanied by luklukan ng karunungan, susi ng langit, Reina de las Estrellas, Rosa Mystica.
Saint James the Less. Saint James the Less is often identified as the son of Alphaeus and a relative of Jesus. He became the leader of the church in Jerusalem. He was known for his theory and was eventually martyred for his faith. Saint James the Less, pray for us. The image of St. James the Less is accompanied by Puso ni Maria, Reina del Santissimo Rosario, Reina Luna, and Reina Candelaria.
Ay, sorry. Talikod naman yun. Tinignan ko.
James the Great.
Ano ito?
Saint James the Great, the brother of John, was one of Jesus' closest apostles. He was the first of the 12 to be martyred, executed by Herod Agrippa. He is the patron saint of pilgrims and Spain. Saint James the Great, pray for us. The image of Saint James the Great is accompanied
Kita naman,
by
nangangalit.
Reina de la Paz,
Kita naman,
Reina de los
kinakalat.
Patriarcas, Reina de las Profetas, Reina de los Confesos.
Saint Paul. Saint Paul was a persecutor of Christians, was converted through a dramatic encounter with the risen Christ. He became one of the most influential apostles through his missionary journeys and epistolate. He was martyred in Rome and is honored as the apostle to the Gentiles. Saint Paul, pray for us. The image of Saint Paul is accompanied by Reina de los Mártires, Reina de los Apóstoles, Reina de los Santos, Reina del Cielo, and Reina de las Virgenes.
Mary, mirror of justice.
Oo. Nangalay na nga ako eh.
The title Mirror of Justice is one of the invocations in the Litany of Loreto.